Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 345. This ended Thursday, July 8, 2021 for one box of Series 2 retail. It is the 15th box of 20, all from the same case. And the serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings on eBay. And we will be sure to show that before we open the box. All right. I think everybody here has been with me before. Let me just check. No, a few new people. So we'll go through the rules really quickly. And if you're a regular, please fast forward to the break. For my new guys, just hang out for 1 minute as we go over the rules. Let's pick on Anto Bata just because he's been with me before and he's a great guy. He owns the St. Louis Blues. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be about 24, 25 hits in the box, basically one per pack. Those are the cards that get shipped out. If there are any St. Louis Blue cards, I'm going to mail them to Anto Bata, whatever his shipping address is on eBay. In the unfortunate event that there are no St. Louis Blue cards, there will be nothing to ship to Anto Bata. I will mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Anto Bata. Shipping was 50 cents. Again, it's per team. It's just a group collection for how much product needs to go out with, how much packaging has to go out with this product. Between the sky rising prices and top loaders and packaging and postage, it is a little bit of a collection to help do the break. I wouldn't be able to do it without it. That's how it works. So please don't ask for a rebate if you do not get a team for 50 cents. And if you do have a team coming to you or a package coming to you, please be a little patient as the postage facility is not up to 100% here in Toronto. We are working at about 75% capacity. So it is a little slower than usual, but everybody gets their card. So just give it a little bit of time. All right, guys? All right, let's get to it. 1591 Chris owns the Sabres, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, and the Red Wings. Anto Bata owns the Blues. A. Paquette has the Coyotes, the Lightning, and the Leafs. Bizik, 1978, has the Bruins, the Flames, and the Sharks. Cashbar owns the Florida Panthers and the Vegas Knights. Kirsch, 91, has the Ducks, the Stars, the Canadiens, the Rangers, the Ottawa Senators, the Penguins, the Capitals, and the Winnipeg Jets. CR Hockey has the Wild. Jobo, 01, has the Avalanche, the Blue Jackets, the LA Kings, and the Devils. Canal Jane has the Vancouver Canucks. Malafor has the Oilers and the Predators. Sal owns the Islanders. And rounding us out, Cy344 owns the Philadelphia Flyers. All right, 19192. Let's remember that as we get this out of the way. 19192. Clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Just going to make sure that we're all systems go before I crack the box. Saving. And we are recording live. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. And we do go through all the cards quickly only because there are so many different variants, but generally one card per pack. Marquee Rookies, Oli Iolevi, Blue Variation. Congratulations to Vancouver. Young Guns Canvas, back-to-back. It was in the box last night. Also for the Devils, Igor Sharagovich. Congratulations to New Jersey. I hit the Ty Smith yesterday. Upper Deck Canvas Young Guns. That's always a good start. Means you get an extra Young Gun in this box. We have a Jake Ottinger, Marquee Rookies for your Dallas Stars. We have a canvas of William Karlsson for your Vegas Golden Knights. I don't think I've seen that variation before. Congratulations to Vegas. And behind that, 2 hits in this box. Another Jake Ottinger, this time the Green Dazzler variation. Young gun incoming for your Tampa Bay Lightning, Cal Foot. Once again, congratulations to the Tampa Bay Lightning winning the Stanley Cup 22 years in a row. Very difficult to do so. And if you haven't watched the Nikita Kucherov post-game press interview, I suggest you YouTube that. That is hilarious. Good for him. We have a Nico Mikola, St. Louis Blues, Young Guns. We have a Marquee Rookies, Gilles Shen, Green Variation for your New Jersey Devils. Cal McCarr, award winners for your Colorado Avalanche. Another two-hit pack, not bad. Alex Lafreniere, Marquee Rookies, Green Variation. Congratulations to the New York Rangers. And a Bo Horvat, Green Dazzler for your Vancouver Canucks. A lot of two-hit packs. Sometimes there's 27 hits in a box. A lot of product to go out. Feels like this is sticking. Nope. We have a Ryan McLeod, Marquee Rookies for your Edmonton Oilers. We have Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Peyton Krebs for your Vegas Golden Knights. We have a Mikey Anderson, LA Kings, Portrait Rookies. Young gun incoming for your, not bad, your Vancouver Canucks, Niels Höglander. Congratulations, Vancouver. Another young gun incoming for your Detroit Red Wings, Matthias Brome. Or Matthias. Jamie Benn for your Dallas Stars. Doing lunges in the back room. Congratulations to the Dallas Stars. We have another canvas, this time for your Arizona Coyotes, Nick Schmaltz. Looks like coming right on the ice, right from the beginning of a game. All the lights are off. We have a Joseph Wall, Marquee Rookies for your Toronto Maple Leafs. And behind that, we have a Shane Bowers, Dazzler for your Colorado Avalanche. Reed Duke for your Vegas Knights marquee rookies. And our first dead pack. We'll just go through that one more time. No French variations and no soup cards. Looks like back-to-back dead packs. They happen to be at the end. But again, there was 2 or 3 packs with already 2 hits in them. So, like I said, still get your 24, 25 hits. Young Gun incoming for your New York Rangers, Darren Radish. And again, guys, we go again tomorrow night, Friday night. Another box of Series 2 and an SPX. Young Gun incoming for your Washington Capitals, Philippe Mallet. Congratulations to Washington. Two packs to go. This one has an Upper Deck Portrait Rookies of Reed Duke for your Vegas Golden Knights. And final pack. Again, guys, thanks everybody. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. We finish with a Morgan Geekie Carolina Hurricanes Upper Deck Portrait Rookies. And just double check here. And there you have it. Okay, ladies and gents, hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.